everybody. I'm Vicki and welcome to my kitchen. I wanted to come on tonight for a quick live and was trying to think of what I was going to do. Then I opened the refrigerator door because I needed a little bit of pick-me-up and realized that I was about out of my cold brew coffee. So I was able to come up with something for you tonight. And this is a quick tip, so I'm only going to be on for a few minutes. Our cold brew pitcher is so easy, and by using cold brew instead of hot brew, you don't get acids. And I like iced coffee. So now, don't get me wrong, I like my hot coffee every morning. So don't plan to give up my hot coffee, but I do love the iced coffee for a pick-me-up during the day, and the cold brew is so easy and it's just right there in the refrigerator. And this is all I had left. When I get down to a certain point, I just put in my measure, mix, and pour. It makes it really easy and convenient. So I'm going to show you real quick how the cold brew pitcher works. And these are two of the pieces that come with it. It's the funnel. And it also comes with one for tea. It's just as simple as putting it in there, putting 1 cup of coffee grounds. I already had them measured out. And this seals, so if you get a little bit of that around the edge, you can just wipe it off. And you simply pour 5 cups of water in your cold brew pitcher. Takes it just a little bit of time to go down. I hope you're having a nice weekend or weekday, whenever you're watching me. Alright, remember this makes 5 cups. That's how simple it is. And I'll stick this in my refrigerator for 18 to 24 hours, and then it'll be ready. So when I start getting low, I make another pitcher. While I've got you here, I might as well make a cup. I was starting to make my ice in my cup. And this is almond milk that I made a couple of days ago. And because I use sugar-free things, I use skinny syrup. 1, 2, 3. And I haven't had a lot of protein today, so I'm going to put a scoop of our pea protein in it. This is the Enrichables pea protein, and if you're watching your protein, has no taste, works great with most of my dishes. This is the mini stainless whisk. Mixes up the pea protein really well. Okay. Coffee in. And I do make a really strong brew. I like dark roast coffee. Have a nice day and give someone a smile. It's probably the cheapest gift you can ever give somebody, but the most important. It'll make you feel better, makes other people feel better. Have a great day. Bye. Come back to see me.